Welcome back to our channel. Yeah, she's
So even
forgetting
already ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು what are we going to try? So we'll tell him to tell that now. What is the video going to be about?
So
ಹೊಸ ಜನ ನೋಡುವ ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಯಾಕೆ ನನಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇವರು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ರು.
So I'm very excited guys. So ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. So ನಾವು ತಿಂದೇ ಇರೋದು. So ನಾವು ಈಗ
ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ತಿಂದೇ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಗೆ.
So ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ. So hello guys.
ಹಾಗೆ I didn't do like okay fine. Let's not talk more. So we are going to try some untried snacks. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ try ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, but we have not tried it. So we picked a few of them, and yeah, it's here. Okay.
ಇದು ರತ್ನ ಮೈಂಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ
ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ಯಾವನ್ರಿ ಅವನು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ ಇದೆ.
So we have
some sodas.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೀಲಗಿರೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can take it, you can buy it from ನೀಲಗಿರೀಸ್.
Yeah, ನೀಲಗಿರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಹತ್ರ
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ನೀಲಗಿರೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟರ್ಸ್.
ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes. Okay.
So the vlog guys.
Yes.
ನಿನ್ನ ಅವಾಗ ಗಂಡಸು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್.
So ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, or we'll have the cookie ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಕುಕ್ಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
So we are having a very good product called as Malwani Amla. ಸೊ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಇವತ್ತು ತನಕ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 10 ಸತಿ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ
ಬ್ಲೂಪರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್
ಬರ್ತದೆ. So what is the behind the scenes and how we make it. So yeah, so the shorts will be coming in next 1 or 2 days from the video. Actually
it's okay, people
love me.
I've tried it. Okay, so the first thing ನಾವು ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದು ಆಮ್ಲಾ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಆಮ್ಲಾ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಇದು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ he forced to bring this, so we are trying it. So usually I think most of them already ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ಸೀಸರ್ ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
I am the Pepsi bottle opener, I am the Amla opener.
ಹೀಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, kind of like okay, and ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
This is the one.
I don't know, and that too ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಇಂದ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. You want the video no? Well, nice.
This is pretty much good.
I've had this before, so yeah.
You cannot understand the taste of Amla. Nice.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟು. It's like not ಆಮ್ಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವೀಟರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. It's not ಕೈ or something.
It's basically nearest to jaggery.
ಬೆಲ್ಲ ತರ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ರೂ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೌನಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
No, not that sweet.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ತರ ಇದೆ.
It's like not bella, like one dry fruit.
Yeah, maybe like
Yeah, not bella.
ಅಂಜೂರ್ kind of.
Yeah, ಅಂಜೂರ್
ಇದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. So I'm trying it for the first time, so because of me she bought this.
Yeah, I've tried this already, so yeah. ಇದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದು ವಿಜಯ ಆಮ್ಲಾ something. ಇದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 50 rupees. So yeah, we liked it.
But it's worth a try.
Try a lot, you can, because even it's sufficient quantity also, so it's you can try it. So ಈಗ next one ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾವು ಎಂತದ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, I want to try this one.
Okay.
So ಇದು ನಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್. So ನೋಡುವ, this cost 120 rupees, quite expensive for 3 biscuit. So let's see how it is. Oh, this is so cute. Like one for you.
So this is the biscuit guys. So I don't know if you guys are able to focus it. So this is
50 rupees cut and extra overacting is happening here. So we have 3 biscuits.
Bro, they are our everything. So like we need.
Let's try it.
Yeah. A basic cream biscuit.
No, Nutella's taste is there though.
Yeah, but it's just a basic cream biscuit. That's all.
Okay.
Nothing to exaggerate or something.
No, it's good. Are we going to buy this again? No.
No, never. I would rather buy Unique biscuit than this.
Okay. One time, if you want to try, you guys can try it. Okay. This is also pass. Next. We found a chocolate there. This is Alpenly based, but I don't think it is India's product. It is not. I have not seen this here. Alpenly when $1 rupee, ₹2 ಇದು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ 60 rupees Alpenly ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕವಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡು. ಅದು ರಿಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೀಮಿ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್.
Family.
ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
Yeah, my mama should watch this video.
ನಿನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕನ್ ಕುರ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಜಾಗ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಏನ್
You should get before toffees na ಹೀಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. So ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ.
Alpenly ಅವ್ರದೇ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ Alpenly
Yes,
yeah, we used to get that circle but it's round
Circle.
round.
Now this is.
Small daddy. ಇದು anyways ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡು. Creamy.
So let's see how much milk is there.
Opening is like literally tough. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Storage full ಆಯ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So we changed from my phone to his phone now. So
Yes.
yeah.
Tell me how is the recording of my guy.
I don't think the
phone.
clarity will. I think it will differ. But yeah. So we took. I think that I will add there. So yeah, this is nothing but rice cracker biscuit. It's good.
Pretty good.
Seaweed is the taste unto. So if you like seaweed, you'll like it. But we liked it. For 185, I think this is worth it.
Yeah, this is worth.
Pumpkin. We'll do it together.
I pretty much liked it.
This is really good. This is the best snacks. Okay. It's pass. And are we going to buy this again? Yes, we are.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 this is. Now in that same thing, we found another one there. Even this is also Bin Bin rice cracker seaweed flavor. Okay, this is also same thing, rice cracker biscuit itself. So this is made in let's check. Even this is vegetarian. There is the mark there. But
This is made in
same
Thailand.
Thailand.
But it is
same.
written
I think
in
the
Chinese.
flavors are different, so we are not able to read it. But yeah.
The flavor is Chinese.
ಮೊದಲು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ ಕಲಿ.
Sorry.
So even this is on the same thing. We'll see how many biscuits we
I'm
have.
too
1,
high on caffeine right
3,
now.
4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Something like snowman is drawn here, so I think it might be some.
Yeah, give it here.
So how many pieces is that? 13.
20.
Oh, sorry, 20. So it's better than that, but it's same brand. No, it's different brand, I suppose.
Different brand, but different flavor as well.
And what's the price of this one? 175. That was 185. This is 175. So let's taste one of it. And that was spicy
Keep it there.
flavor. You took one for yourself.
Yeah.
It was spicy, and the shape is also completely different. This is round unto. Idu hige. I don't know which shape is this. So let's try it.
This is why you need to pass your exams.
I think it's not kind of like sour and cream taste. I don't know. Maybe it's that.
This is crazy. Cream onion flavor. This is good, guys.
Okay, it's nice, but I
She
like
doesn't
that more. It's correct, sour and cream. So cream and sour. What is that?
Cream onion flavor.
Nice chips all it is basically.
The same thing, only the flavor and the.
Flavor is different. This is just gatti undu comparatively to adu. I think the quality is different. Generally quality at the top notch undu aita. This is little bit hard. To treasure up there, but that was crispy and nice.
But I feel this is very good.
I like that one. But
yeah.
both were good.
Yeah, fine. But I like this more than that. So
I like this one more than that. So I think it's pass. We both like it. And
Yeah.
it is a time pass wala
yeah,
snack.
8 out of 10 I can give it.
And it's a little low in calories as well.
Yeah, so 8 out of 10 basically. I would purchase it definitely. I
Yes.
don't know about her.
I will take the other one. Okay,
Yeah.
next. I'll
Next
try
we are going-
something drinking.
No,
Do we have a-
that is probiotic. So you
This
will
one?
have. No,
Cherry?
yeah, we'll have it at the last.
Both also sweets. Last many sweets it will be. So we'll have this and then
Let's eat this Netflix.
Okay.
Caramelized popcorn.
Okay. This is, we only got this seeing this name, Netflix.
Netflix.
Please promotion. I know we don't have subscriber, but still. Then caramel flavor.
Caramel
Cheese
flavor.
and caramel flavor.
Yeah.
It's not only caramel. Cheese and caramel flavor. I think you can see.
Yeah.
This was for ₹60. So we have two popcorns. One is barbecue cheese popcorn as well as this one. So
Yeah.
both are also Netflix. Okay?
And both are manufactured by PVR. So PVR, please give us any.
We are begging.
Yeah, yeah,
This was for ₹49.
yeah.
This was for 60.
60
So what is the
rupees,
difference? Yeah. So
So,
yeah.
the only difference is Netflix is there and Netflix is not here.
Let's open both also.
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells so good. Cheese flavor. So, it's a mix. It's not like mix and match. It is two different flavors in one now.
Yes.
See, you can see it. Wait 1 second. See here.
Oh, this smells so good.
Shouldn't it? This smells good. But this is like two flavors are mixed. Cheese is also there and this is caramel.
Yeah. And I would prefer anyone.
60 rupees this thing is and caramel.
It's overrated, guys. Just stop. Sorry, Netflix.
But still, PVR ka is overpriced or all.
PVR, don't take it to your heart.
But we eat a lot of popcorn.
Yeah.
We will go to
We eat lot of popcorn from you guys. PVR. So, but yeah, still, fact is a fact. You're expensive.
Okay, this was good. Normal popcorn, yeah. Nothing I can tell. It's good.
Yeah, it's
For
good.
the price, I felt this
Yeah.
little expensive. Let me try this one. I didn't like it.
You're not really. Only the smells. The smell is good.
Yeah, I didn't like it. So it's 49 rupees, guys. This is tastier. It's a normal cheese popcorn and caramel. Will I buy this again? Yeah, we might.
Mind. This, no.
No, never. Never. So yeah, it's a pass for me. That's a fail for me. For you?
Yeah. For one-time use, this is best. But yeah, please don't buy this again.
This we are going to drink at the end. So let's try this, sir. This is what? How do you pronounce this? Reese, sir.
Reese, yeah. Reese's.
Reese's.
Yeah, so not this Reese's. This Reese's.
This Reese's. Actually, I wanted to try this from a very long time. I have tried it, so he has not
I've
tried.
not
So it's
tried
new
it.
for him. He doesn't like peanut butter, so I don't
Yeah.
think he will like this. But I wanted this for 3. It is 175 rupees.
Yeah, I hope
So I think
don't
it's
get
not
loose
bad
motion.
because I saw this like ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆಗ ಇದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಆಗ 275 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 ಇದು 3 ಉಂಟು ಸರ್.
Yeah, maybe Nirmala Sitharaman gave some relaxation.
So this is how it looks. It's actually very cute. I really like this. So if you have the paper, just remove this butter paper. See, there is nothing. It's chocolate coating. ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ peanut butter ಇದು peanut butter ಉಂಟು. ಹೊರಗೆ it is chocolate layer. That's it. So yeah.
Let me try it.
He's trying it for the first time. I give this 10 out of 10 and I love it.
Total shit, guys.
Who likes peanut butter, they will like it.
Oh fuck.
I knew you will not like it.
It literally tastes like nail polish.
No, not that bad.
Coming back with Mr. Feastable. So Mr. Beast, if you are seeing this video, please
Mr.
reach out to
Beast,
him. Yeah. So yeah, we love you, Mr. Beast. So please donate us $10,000 and we'll be your fans forever. Yeah.
How much is for this?
Yeah, so yeah, Feastables is for 260 rupees and for 35 gram. So yeah,
It's very expensive.
yeah, it's very expensive.
I don't want. I'll just have one piece and I'll eat tomorrow. Okay, one slice. You didn't show them how it looks.
It's okay, sorry guys.
They can tell it's me. You're speaking a lot in the video. I'm not letting him speak.
No, this actually tastes good. But
So it looks like this. So it is so pretty. You could have showed at least.
Yeah.
This is nothing but you get that Cadbury's crackle. What is that?
Crackle, but the only thing is like there is a lot of difference in sugar. So this taste is like very sweet, but it's not too much sweet like a Cadbury or any kind of other chocolate brand would be.
It's sweet, yeah.
Yeah, it's sweet, but not to that extreme. That
It's milk chocolate. That's why this is milk chocolate, and 260 rupees. I felt it not worth, so I don't know.
No, it is worth, Mr. Beast. Please send me $10 from the people.
Too much sweet, na? So I didn't want you to eat everything. Next, we want to try this one. Okay. Next, we are going to try this one. This is bar cherry flavor. This is, and this costs 160 rupees.
What is this bar?
Bar. So you can
Show them the correct product.
see. Yes. Even here also it is there. So this is also exported one. So let's first mix.
It's a soda. This is the reason you need to have an education. Serious.
Wait. This is so good. This tastes like syrup basically. Wait, don't open it for, okay?
This is the reason you need education. Benadryl tastes better than this.
Literally cough syrup, guys.
Yeah, Benadryl is way better than this.
First thing ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟಂತೆ. I take my words back.
Oh, fuck.
I
Aftertaste
hate
sucks.
tablets, I hate syrups, and I hate this right now. So, who likes the taste of that syrup kind of taste, they can try this, but it's not
Aftertaste,
our kind.
yeah, aftertaste really sucks.
So we didn't like it.
No, yeah, we are poor guys.
Okay, this has zero sugar. We have
Yeah.
2 flavors in this. ಎರಡು flavors ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ನಾವು
And,
ಒಂದು try ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ, but we have
Yeah, this is shikanji and it's a probiotic drink. So ಇದು shikanji ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is a probiotic drink and yeah.
flavor same.
No, this is made of basil, and the only thing is like you'll have to have.
Arey, flavor is same, na? We thought it's different flavor and we bought it.
No, this is natural energy booster, and that is shikanji.
Oh, this is
That is
okay.
probiotic drink.
Okay, it's
So
different,
yeah, you will have a loose motion after eating this, but I don't.
So funny.
Yeah. So
This doesn't
yeah.
have sugar, guys. Let's see.
So zero sugar. How does it taste?
Let's try it. Okay, I'm scared.
Oh.
It's good. Usually how what is it? Shikanji, right? Taste? It's good. It's good.
This is mint
Good for
flavored.
digestion.
Mint flavored, and it's very good.
That is basil flavor.
This is even this is the same.
It's same basically both also.
No.
Oh guys, this has sugar in it that don't have sugar in it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the difference. This has 29 calories, whereas that has I think only 2 calories in it. Yeah, they have mentioned that.
Yes.
This is zero sugar. Okay, that's the difference. Like basically flavor.
And this is a
everything
probiotic
same.
drink, and that's an energy booster. That's all.
Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, good. Okay, this is
great.
good. And this is just for.
And I would
40
like to
rupees.
give my cap back.
Give my. What did you say?
Cap back. I'm not uneducated.
Okay,
like
so
that.
idu 40 rupees. I think this was good.
This is worth.
But yeah, I think this is worth you. Outside also ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿರಬೇಕು, so it's fine. So I think yeah, we're done with the video.
So now it's time for us to edit the videos and send it to you guys. And
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ guys, 1 minute. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, so we didn't like this one. So this one was a no, and this was okay. So ಇದು ನಾವು
yeah, I would say no.
5. I will give it 5. No, 6 I'll give. Not bad. This was A from my end, but he didn't like it.
No, this is 0 from my end.
This was, I think I can give it again 5.
I would give it a big fat 6 for this.
Big fat 6. Okay. This I'll give it like
8.
7.
I would give it 8, guys. So yeah, she does not worth it.
This is like literally 9.
Yeah.
9.5 I'll give because I liked it. I literally liked it. It's
I'll-
better than that.
I'll give it a 10, and because the
He's
reason
such a
is
Dokila person that he was.
no, I gave it a 10.
You know that is good, but
No, I gave it a 8.
ಗೈಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
So I will give it a fat 10 because I'm always one step ahead of her.
ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್. This is good. I'll give it a 6. No, I'll give it a 5.
It's
Am I
an
going to
average.
buy this again? No, I'm not going to buy this also again. ಈ popcorn ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Except this one we might, like 90% we may not, 10% we might. This one we will not buy it again.
Yeah.
This one I don't know. I don't eat this.
I would definitely buy it.
Yeah,
again.
so I have no idea. This one, literally no.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, and this drink, no, not at all. This thing we might.
No, I would definitely buy this one than that one.
I think this
Yeah.
will rate it.
I'll rate it somewhere around 7.
I'll give it like for digestion. Yeah, I think I might give it a 9. I'll give it a 9.
Yeah, so like I will buy this again, but
This is 2.
I would doubt that.
This is 2. Idu 2 ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, and this is like literally 1.
Yeah.
1 because literally cough syrup. ನನಗೆ medicines ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So yeah. So
Thank you
Thank you
guys.
guys watch ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ thank you so much.
Yes.
So ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. And what ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾವು
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Our
So-
Instagram IDs will be in the chat. Now Instagram ID and chat
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತವೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್
I mean
ಹಾಕ್ತವೆ.
reels ಹಾಕ್ತವೆ.
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yeah, do follow guys.
Do follow.
This video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We love you.